Greetings from Geojit Financial. The next IPO on the block is the IPO of MTAR Technologies Limited, a leading player in the precision engineering industry and also serves projects of national importance. It serves customers in priority sectors such as clean energy, the nuclear sector, and space and defense sectors. Geojit Financial has assigned a subscribe rating to this IPO only for investors with a long-term perspective. Let us now look at the positive factors that have impacted our rating. The company, as mentioned earlier, is a niche operator slash supplier for priority sectors. It has a diversified product presence and also a well-established relationship with its clients. Bloom Energy USA, which is a leading player in the clean energy sector, accounts for a majority of its revenues. Domestically, we have well-known clients such as Indian Space Research Organization, with which the company has a 3 decades relationship. DRDO and NPCIL are some of the other domestic customers. The company has an opportunity to increase sales just by providing new products to the existing customers itself. It has an order book of around rupees 336 crores. The company is also developing newer products and more complex products with better margins, and is also leveraging on its well-established relationship with its clients. Looking at the financials have also been pretty stable over the last couple of years. Revenue has been growing at a CAGR of 17%, and PAT has also been growing at a higher rate from FY 2018 through FY 20. Operating margins have been stable at around 29%. Return on equity has been averaging around 14% of the last couple of years. Exports account for more than 50% of its revenues as on FY 20, with clean energy accounting for 64% of its revenues. Now, the worldwide interest in generating development of clean energy, the Indian government's focus on nuclear sector, as well as on indigenization schemes like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, provides a lot of opportunities for MTAR Technologies to grow and also gives good earnings visibility for the company. Now, looking at the negatives, there are not too many negatives to talk about this company, but one of the key risks that this company faces is the fact that Bloom Energy, one of its customers, accounts for more than 50% of its revenues. So, considering the customer revenue concentration and also the chance of the impact of currency fluctuations, investors will need to take a note of this key risk. But the encouraging sign is that Bloom Energy has been giving repeat orders, and MTAR Technology has also been developing newer products to aid in the expansion of Bloom Energy. The other risk is with regards to the valuation of the company. At the upper price band of rupees 575, the company is available at a PE of around 47 times on an annualized FY21 EPS basis, which seems to be on the expensive side. Now, with no listed peers, an exact comparison would not be possible. So, to summarize, in spite of the aggressive IPO pricing, the fact that the company is a supplier of niche products with good demand prospects to key priority sectors, and with its well-established relationship with its existing clients, we have assigned a subscribe rating to this IPO. For more details, you may refer to the IPO note published by Geojit Research. Thank you and happy investing.